Good morning, students. I'm Sanu. In last class, we saw exploring space. We saw up to that grandfather and the little girl went to harvesting. In today's class, we will be continuing that. In the hub, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. In the hub means what? Hub means vegetation hub. You know what is vegetation hub? It is an artificial place to grow vegetables. So in the hub he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. He said means who? This he represent who? He represent grandfather. Grandfather said these carrots are not tasty anymore. That means the carrot that they have cultivated now, that they have harvested now is not tasty. In the earth, the carrots are very tasty, but the artificial carrots that they cultivated in mass is not tasty. So grandfather says that these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. When grandfather was a child, he was living in the earth. At that time he ate some carrots and those carrots were very tasty. But these artificial carrots are not tasty now. So the grandfather says that these carrots are not tasty anymore. She asked, she means who? She means the little girl. The little girl asked, why do you say so, grandpa? She asked, why are you saying like that, grandpa? Grandfather explained to Arivu that vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. What did grandfather said? Grandfather said that the vegetables that we grow on the earth is very tasty, but the vegetables that we grow on this artificial hub is not tasty at all. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth. Arivu asked eagerly, how do they grow the crops and vegetables on earth? And the grandfather says to Arivu that she should have tasted the carrot. And Arivu asked eagerly, how do they cultivate vegetables on earth? Because on Mars they are cultivating artificially. There is no soil at all. So Arivu doesn't know what a soil means. So the grandfather is explaining. In the next para, the grandfather explaining how they would grow plants on the earth. Hearing this, grandfather was reminded of life on earth. Reminded means what? Reminding means remembering our past. He said the earth had fertile soil. Fertile soil means what? Fertile means healthy. F-E-R-T-I-L-E. Fertile, healthy soil, or the soil that has lot of nutrients in it. So the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. As the soil in the earth is very fertile, the fruits and vegetables grown in that soil is also healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans use chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? And the Arivu says to the grandfather that she learned that we use chemical fertilizer. So the vegetables is polluted, but in this hub we are not using any chemical fertilizers. So the food here grown is very healthy, says the Aribu. And the grandfather laughed and said, these fruits, vegetables and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu explained, even the water, he said. Of course, in Mars we get water from burning fuels. And grandfather laughed and told to Arivu that the fruits and vegetables that they grow in the Mars is not same as on the earth. These are not real. These are artificially created. Even in Mars, the water is not real. they will burn the fuel, and from that they will get the water and they drink. So that is not a healthy water. So students, today you will end up to this. You read these lines, you read up to fuels, and if you have any doubts, kindly ask me. Thank you, students.